I don't know where I'm going with that.
Marist Youth Ministry exists because the Marists care for young people and their life.
We're very relational. You know, that relationship building is so important, and that's what students say all the time. We develop programs that are contemporary, that really engage young people. A lot of young people are saying they're connecting with God and others for the first time in real, authentic ways.
I see the growth of Marist Youth Ministry and the Marist life to provide opportunities for staff and students to encounter Christ. As Marists, I think the whole aspect of solidarity just shows that we're about giving, about others and giving that you receive.
I think that's the vital role that Marist Youth Ministry plays within our association context, is providing those points of connection between students, between schools, around that common language and around that common experience of our Marist story, to discern alongside them. We're continuing to grow and continuing to do something new within our church, within our world.
We have to find out what young people want. All the time that changes.
What our association and what our ministry offer to our young people, to the people in our schools, to people within our community, is a story that is attractive, a story that they can belong to.
Seeing young people interact, engage with the programs we run, that gives me not just hope, but it gives me joy, because I know this is not the end, it's just a new beginning.